Hi, welcome to each and everyone for my YouTube channel Akshata Shetty Commerce Lectures. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is going to be about UGC NET and kset examination paper 1 subject Teaching Aptitude. Let us discuss 10 important questions. First question: which one of the following is appropriate in respect of teacher-student relationship? Very informal and intimate, limited to classroom only, cordial and respectful, indifferent. The teacher and student relation must be cordial and respectful. Mutual respect is the foundation of a lasting student-teacher relationship. When teachers develop strong bonds with their students, teaching becomes much more effective. It lowers the behavioral problems in the students and improve their academic performance and makes them better citizens. So, the appropriate in the respect of teacher and student relationship should be cordial and respectful. So option C is the right answer. Next, come to second question. The academic performance of students can be improved if parents encouraged to supervise the work of their wards, arrange for extra tuition, remain unconcerned about it, interact with the lectures frequently. The family as the first institution of education enables its member to include skills, attitudes and values. The daily interaction with the family members forms habits which are conducive to all-round development personally. Therefore, each family carefully identify the skills and values to be acquired by the family members. So, supervise the work of their wards is the encouraged of parents for students. So option A is the right answer. Next, come to third question. In a lively classroom situation, there is likely to be occasional roars of laughter, complete silence, frequent teacher-student dialogue, loud discussing among students. The lively classroom situation should incorporate frequent teacher-student dialogue. Teacher, through positive interaction with their students, can create a classroom environments that are more helpful in learning and meet the students' development emotionally and educational needs. For effective teaching, there should be a personal interaction with the students with the dialogue. The students are involved in the classroom and learning become fun for them. So, in a lively classroom situation, there should be a frequent teacher-student dialogue. Option C is the right answer. Next, come to fourth question. The most important quality of a good teacher is sound knowledge of subject matter, concern for students' welfare, good communication skills, effective leadership qualities. The most important quality of a good teacher is he has good communication skills. The good communication skills are always the primary quality of the teacher. The student should feel free to discuss the doubts with the teacher. The teacher should ensure the approachable behavior towards the students. So, the first and foremost quality of a good teacher is a good communication skills. So, option C is the right answer. Next, come to fifth question. Some students in a class exhibit great curiosity for learning. It may be because such children are gifted, come from rich families, show artificial behavior, create indiscipline in the class. If some students in a class exhibit great curiosity of learning, that means they exhibit characteristics of gifted children. They are called as gifted children. What is gifted children? Gifted children are those whose intellectual ability is more than average. They have a strong sense of curiosity and are enthusiastic about unique interest and topics. They are self-aware, social aware and aware of global issues. And they are creative problem solver. They solve the problems by having divergent views. So, they are called as the gifted children. It means they have the great curiosity of learning. So, option A is the right answer. Next, come to sixth question. Moral values can be effectively inculcated among the students when the teacher frequently talk about values, himself practice them, tells stories of great persons, talk of God and goddesses. Moral values can be effectively inculcated in the teacher only. When he practices them, moral values help the students to evaluate right or wrong, or right versus wrong. Teachers are like a role model for the students, and they tend to follow what the teacher does. For example, if teacher wants that all the students should speak politely, then he first needs to be polite and patient with the students. What we see is what we follow the most. Students behave in the same manner as their role model is behaving. So, for efficiently inculcated among the students when teacher himself practices them. So, option B is the right answer. Next, come to seventh question. The essence of effective classroom environment is a variety of teaching aids, lively student-teacher interaction, pin drop silence, strict discipline. The essence of effective classroom environment is lively student-teacher interaction. An effective classroom defined as a classroom where learning is maximized without any disruption. The learning can be maximized when there are no doubts and issues in the syllabus. These issues can be resolved when a student interact with the teachers and ask for their questions. So, for the effective classroom environment is lively student-teacher interaction. So, option B is the right answer. Next, come to 8th question. Which of the following belongs to a projected aid? Blackboard, diorama, epidiascope, globe. Here the answer is epidiascope. It is a project aid. Epidiascope is a projected aid. That projected aid make use the screen to display the images and sounds. They make the learning process more attractive and creative for the students. Epidiascope is a projector that is used to display the images for both opaque objects as well as transparencies. It helps displaying the visuals on the screen, which can help the students understand and retain a topic in a better way. So, from these four, epidiascope is a projected aid. Option C is the right answer. Next, come to ninth question. By which of the following method the true evaluation of students is possible? Evaluation at the end of the course, evaluation twice in a year, continuous evaluation, formative evaluation. The true evaluation of students is possible through a continuous evaluation. It evaluates the students' progress throughout a prescribed course. It enables the students and teachers to evaluate regularly to cover the gap in the teaching and learning process. It helps in the orderly learning and development of students so that they can become responsible students in the future. So, the true evaluation of the students is possible only with the continuous evaluation. So, option C is the right answer. Next, come to 10th question. An effective teaching aid is one which is colorful and good looking, is visible to all students, actives all faculties, easy to prepare and use. An effective teaching aid is one which that activities of all faculties. It should involve the use of all senses of learning to ensure that the learning objectives are met. Teaching aids are used by the teacher to teach a lesson to make it more interesting, like videos, models, charts, educational toys, etc. They should involve the use of all the faculties of learning. So, an effective teaching aid is one which is that involve our activities of all the faculties. So, option C is the right answer. Okay guys, this is for today. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet again with another topic. Till stay safe, stay happy.